All right, Chief, thank you so much. We are turning now to our team coverage. You can hear a lot of yelling out there. That is all the kids that are having a blast out there, safely doing so. Check out our team coverage. That includes Taylor Richardson. He is over in Richland County. We also have Megan Dockshish. She is set up over in Kershaw County. But first, before we get to Megan, we're going to check in right now with Taylor because I think that's where I hear all the yelling going on behind you. Those college kids, they are having a blast, Taylor.
Yeah, absolutely. It's definitely a very active scene here down here at Blatt Field. As you can see, there's still a bunch of just college students that have been playing soccer over there. The game seems to be wrapped up a little bit, but then also over there on our left, we have people that are sledding down the little bit of the slopes that are down here as well. And then also we have a football game going on over here. So just about everyone you can see here is out here enjoying the elements at this point. And we're also going to talk to some people who are playing some volleyball as well. And we're going to talk to our friend Davi here. So Davi, tell me about what you're doing out here today and why you wanted to come out here with the snow.
So the snow is so fun. It doesn't really happen here in South Carolina. So everyone's out here. We're playing some volleyball. We just met these people now. We don't even know them before. I love this. Like, it's just so cool. You just meet people who are sledding down the hill. It's just so much fun. I love it. The snow, I'd never see it before, so it's really cool.
Are you from South Carolina? Are you from the South, so you just don't see it that often?
Yeah, I'm originally from Brazil, but so then it's not really often that we see snow there. But now it's so fun to see so much snow. It's just so cool.
Yeah, and so tell me about the game that you guys are playing over here.
We're just passing the volleyball. We're trying to get to like a certain amount of number. We're trying to get to 50 now, and we're all like passing the ball to see if we can get it. It's really fun.
All right, we're going to play one of these games really quick. We can get one round going.
Let's go.
And let's see, I'll get up with one hand right there. It's still bouncing around.
Go, go, go.
They're keeping the ball up right now. Let's see how many we can get. Still going on. They let it drop. But it's really fun. Good. Really fun games out here, and people are still enjoying the snow and doing it safely as well. Reporting in Columbia, I'm Taylor Richardson, News 19 WLTX.
All right, Taylor, thank you so much. They were having a good time. Yeah, I would bet that often in Brazil they don't get snow, so he's got to really take it all in while he can. Let's